Hey guys, the next topic that we are going to look into text formatting or the data formatting part is how we can change the orientation of your text. Yeah, so you can rotate the cell by any degree to change the orientation of the cell. How we can do this, we'll check on this particular data itself. Let me have it centered and aligned as it is. So there are three ways in which you can do it. First, we'll check it through mouse. So again, we need to go to right click on the cell which you want to format, go to the format cells and go to the alignment tab. In this, you will get the orientation of text where you can change the text alignment or the orientation. Orientations mean angle of the text. So how do I do this? If I just drag this pointer which is available, it shows in which degree it is getting oriented. So if I just keep on moving it, yeah, suppose I want it tilted in 45 degree. Yeah, so it is showing here 45 degree. Okay, so it is showing how much degree here in this small box. Yeah, and I say okay. Say okay. You find this text has got treated in 45 degree. Yes. So I can keep on changing the formatting of this text. I usually do it when I have a lot of data and do not have space on my report to show a certain thing. So I try to tilt it, make it 90 degree or make the text look like this. Yeah. And I say okay, make it okay and see this. Yeah. Or the second option in which by which you can tilt the angles of your text is go to the home tag once again. Click on the orientation button, which is available here on the alignment group. So in this alignment group, you'll get this small AB button, which shows the directions. So I will just click on the arrow, the small arrow which is there next to AB. Yes. So I'll click on it and you will get various options to align your text. So I wanted vertical text. So I'll say click on vertical text. So it will give me like this. So if I just extend it, it has created the word this way. Yeah. Let me see other options. Let me have a rotate text. See this? How it looks like? Let me have the rotate text down. You can see? See the changes that are happening. Let me have an angle anti-clockwise. Again, so if I have to open the same format window that I have opened up, you can go back to the format cell and it again opens the same window that we have opened earlier. Okay. Now, suppose you do not want to use your mouse. You want to use your keyboard. Again, as I told you, you can use your shortcut keys from your keyboard by pressing the same ribbon shortcuts by, let me bring the on-screen keyboard. Yes. So you press Alt, just get back to your cell, press Alt. Yeah. Click on home. Since it is a home tab, you need to click H. So as soon as I click on H, it will give you the various alphabets that you can type to get to that particular option. Now to get to this orientation option, we need to press FQ. So I'll press FQ. Yeah, so it will open all the options. Again, it is showing me all the alphabets which are related to a particular text. I'll say rotate or angle clockwise. That is O. So I'll press O. Yeah. So it has again moved the text in a particular direction. Yeah. So this is how you can change the direction of your text or move your text as in how you like it and make it oriented to the way you want to show the data as. Yeah. So you can use the combination of this alignment and orientation to make your data look in a very professional manner, or if you want to show certain things in a very uh, tight format where there is no space on an Excel to show all this headings or anything like that. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Hope you understood how you can align text or orient text within Excel. Do share it across with your friends who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you want me to cover any other topics in this 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you are going to get all my videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.